Today we'll discuss GST rate cut and update till now on GST. The name of the channel is Accounts and Taxation Ka Gyan. The handle is @Accounts and Taxation Ka Gyan. GST rate cut and update. Compensation cess has been removed on all goods except tobacco and tobacco products. Compensation cess would be removed on the following: consumer electronics and appliances, automobiles, coal and other raw material where cess is applied. Revised rate automobile. Small petrol vehicles up to 1200 cc less than 4 meter length. The previous old rate was 28%, 1% was the compensation cess, total was 29%. It has been reduced to 18% from 22/9/2025. Small diesel cars up to 1500 cc less than 4 meter length. The previous rate was 28%, compensation cess was 3%, total was 31%. It has been reduced to 18% now. Mid-size cars above 1200 cc petrol and or 1500 cc diesel, 28% was the rate, 15% was the compensation cess, 43% was the total rate. It has been reduced to 40%. Luxury cars above 1500 cc, 28% was the rate, 20% was the compensation cess, 48% was the rate, 40% is the new rate from 22/9/2025. SUVs above 1500 cc more than 4 meter length, 28% was the GST rate, 22% was the compensation charge, total was 50%. It has been reduced to 40% from 22/9/2025. Electric vehicle all capacities, 5% was the rate, 0% was the compensation charge. The new rate is also 5% from 22/9/2025. So this is broadly the rates in the automobile industry. Now we'll discuss the rates in the consumer goods. TV, AC, fridge. The current rate is 28%. It has been reduced to 18% from 22/9/2025. Mobile phones and laptops, the old rate was 18%. It is same. The new rate is also 18% from 22/9/2025. Revised rate on bikes up to 350 cc. The old rate was 28%. The new rate from 22/9/2025 is 18%, which is a reduction of 10%. Above 350 cc, the old rate was 28%. Now the new rate is 40%. Revised rate insurance, individual health insurance, senior citizen insurance and reinsurance. Old rate was 18%. The rate as on 22/9/2025 is nil. In individual life insurance, ULIP, endowment plan and reinsurance, the old rate was 18%. The revised rate as on 22 September 2025 is nil. Revised rate aviation, economy class, the old rate was 5%, the new rate is 5%. Other than economy, the old rate was 12%, it has been increased to 18% from 22/9/2025. Aircraft for personal use, the old rate was 28% plus 3% compensation cess was there. It has been increased to 40% from 22/9/2025. Aircraft parts were taxed at 5%. The new rate is also 5%. Finance Ministry to meet the officials of hospitality, garments and insurance industry. Government to meet hospitality, insurance and textile industry to know the issues implementing in GST rates from 22nd September 2025. Hospitality rooms up to 7500 per day have been reduced from 12% to 5%. Insurance, life and health insurance has been reduced from 18% to nil. Textile and footwear up to 2500 rupees 2500 has been reduced from 12% to 5%. Insurance sector to implement new rates from today, and the policy coverage would start from 22 September 2025. MRP. The center has permitted traders of prepackaged commodities, manufacturers and packers to update MRP along with the old MRP through stickers, stamping, online printing, and the same is allowed up to 31st December 2025. The current MRP would not be raised. Manufacturers, packers and importers would publish at least 2 advertisements in one or more newspapers and circulate 2 notices to the dealers and regulatory authorities to inform about the price changes. This brings us to the end of the session. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. The name of the channel is Accounts and Taxation Ka Gyan. The handle is @accounts and taxation ka gyan. Thank you so much.